Direct realism. Explained. Direct realism is a theory of perception that claims what we perceive are real objects alongside their properties. Essentially, direct realists believe what we experience through the world is accurate, whether that be an apple, a glass of water, a table, or a candle. Arguments against direct realism. The argument of perceptual variation. The colour of objects varies depending on the angle the object is viewed at and by who. For example, a flower can appear yellow under the eye, but under a microscope lens, that appearance might change. Bertrand Russell's table. Russell observed that the colour of a table looks different under different lights. The shape of the table depends on where you are looking at it from. The texture of the table also depends on how close you are looking at it from. Therefore, our perception of objects varies, as an object cannot be consistently colour changing. A table cannot be both yellow and brown simultaneously, so therefore we cannot perceive things directly. Direct realism is false.
Argument in direct realism. Argument B, hallucination. In a hallucination, we perceive something that is not real. We perceive this thing as it is something in the world despite there being no object, image, or sound in relation to it. Hallucinations can be subjectively indistinguishable from the veridical perceptions, meaning they cannot be told apart. Therefore, hallucinations mirror our veridical perceptions. Therefore, direct realism is false. Arguments against direct realism. Argument C, illusion. Properties can be assigned to objects they do not have. For example, a stick in water which appears bent when it is not. What we immediately perceive, therefore, cannot be what is real. Direct realism is false. Arguments against direct realism. Argument D, time lag. When we see certain things or events, they are not often the case. For example, the sun we perceive is the sun from 8 minutes ago. If the sun was eradicated 3 minutes ago, we would not know. This experience of time shows what we perceive may not correspond with the world itself. Direct realism is false.